I was amazed when you said in one of your videos that you would need to convert the mass of Jupiter in pure energy every second to move faster than the velocity of light, so you can go into warp one to have interstellar travel. And you said also that the faster velocity you move in these travels, the more damage your spaceship will take. And you gave this as an evidence, another evidence that these encounters are not purely physical but spiritual.
Well, that's true. And there's actually a proposal from astronomers to send physical spaceships to the nearest planet outside of our solar system. It's only 4.25 light years away. But they recognize because of E equals mc squared, the bigger you make the cross section of your spacecraft, the more damage it will take from particles that it encounters in interstellar space. And so these astronomers have calculated even if you go as slow as 1/10 the velocity of light, your spaceship cannot be any bigger than 10 centimeters across. And even then, you need to send 1,000 of those spaceships to the nearest planet outside of our solar system, because even at 1/10 the velocity of light, over half of the spaceships will be destroyed. The other half will be partly destroyed, but they'll be destroyed in different ways. And so astronomers are saying, let's send 1,000 tiny spaceships to the nearest planet, and maybe a dozen or so will be able to give us back some useful information. But what that means is there's no way you're going to send a termite across interstellar space. And so this idea that we're being visited by aliens with body sizes like ours from another planetary system, that violates the laws of physics. The only way that can be done is by beings that are not physical, that are not subject to the physics of the universe. But that's also why these 6 other physicists, and by the way, I'm the only one of the 7 that's a believer. The other 6 are either atheists or agnostics. But they all say we're dealing with the same kind of non-physical entities as you see in demonology. In other words, from a biblical perspective, we're dealing with fallen angels. And that's something that all the researchers agree on. This phenomena is not benign. It's malicious. You're going to come away with something quite harmful when you have these close encounters. In fact, what the researchers tell us is the best you're going to come away with a close encounter is recurring terrifying nightmares. Say, what's the worst case scenario? You get killed.